One day in Furfuri, Naga Motu was extremely hungry, so he went straight to his favorite shop and exclaimed, "Brother, quickly give me 10 samosas!" At that moment, Patlu arrived and warned, "Motu, don't eat too much or you'll land in trouble." Motu laughed and replied, "Patlu, eating samosas gives strength." Just as he bit into a samosa, suddenly a mad bull charged into the market and everyone began to flee. Patlu shouted, "Motu, show off your samosa power now!" Motu declared loudly, "When Motu eats a samosa, strength comes in abundance." He tried to catch the bull, but the bull flung Motu into the air. As Motu landed on the ground, he said, "Patlu, it seems I underestimated how many samosas I needed." Patlu chuckled, "Motu, next time use fewer samosas and more wisdom." And the entire Furfuri Naga burst into laughter. As Motu lay bewildered on the ground, Patlu couldn't help but laugh and said, "You really need to rethink your strategy, Motu." The townsfolk, witnessing the hilarious scene, started gathering around them, unable to contain their laughter. They pointed and chuckled as the bull continued to roam freely, creating a light-hearted commotion throughout Furfuri Naga. Someone shouted, "Look at Motu! He thought he could take on a bull with samosas!" With the air filled with joy and laughter, everyone began sharing stories about their own funny encounters, cementing the day as one of unforgettable hilarity.